Start every day at 100% with the Magnasonic USB charging alarm clock. This feature-rich alarm clock was designed for effortless and intuitive setup. Just plug it in, set your time zone, and your clock is set to go. Conveniently charge your smartphone or tablet while you sleep with the USB charging input. Maintain the perfect brightness level on your screen with the automatic adjusting brightness sensor, so your clock is not overly bright at night, yet easily visible during the day. Sleep soundly knowing your alarm will sound even in the event of a power outage with the battery backup feature. Your time and alarm settings will automatically be restored with its pre-installed battery. Program separate wake times for you and your partner with the easy-to-set dual alarm. Wake up to a gradual wake buzzer or radio presets so you know who needs to get out of bed first. Brimming with additional helpful features to start your day right. Get the quality sleep you need and deserve with Magnasonic.
Yeah.